Human history. We're now at a critical point, facing huge challenges brought on by climate change. But, as proven with COVID-19, these challenges aren't insurmountable. Together, we have the ingenuity, the technology, and the hunger to build a more sustainable, healthier, and better world, now and for the future. To do this, we need to transition the world to mindful manufacturing, radically redesigning and rethinking our traditional processes, parts, and supply chains, enabling them to be more flexible, responsible, and resilient. At Stratasys, we believe additive technologies are key to meeting these challenges. Thanks to 3D printing, production is becoming more attainable, localized, and simplified. Reducing waste, protecting supply chains, whilst touching and saving lives. But it's a journey, not a destination. We're dedicated to doing more, working with businesses of all sizes, across all industries, to do good and be better, empowering the leaders and workforce of tomorrow. Our business is built on inclusion, collaboration, and a need to solve global problems through innovation. Together with our customers, users, and partners, we have what it takes to build a better world for everyone. Stratasys Sustainability, 3D printing a better tomorrow.